Hey y'all, welcome to CAJUN I'm Bones. Glad you could join me today. On today's episode, we're going to do up some stuffed pork chops. It's going to have some cheese and some spinach and other items. It's going to be oh so good. On it, we're going to use some of this Bayou Boogie Cajun rub from SNSBBQ. If you use my code CAJUN15, it'll save you 15% off your order. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to start off by cutting up some peppers. Went ahead and just got some of these little mini peppers here. The store I went to was pretty much out of all good bell peppers, so just went ahead and just got these little minis. Next, we're going to go ahead and chop up some garlic. I got 3 cloves here. Just mince that up best you can. Now I've got some lettuce here. I'm just going to go ahead and just do a rough pull on this lettuce. Not lettuce, spinach. Got some ranchero queso fresco here. Go ahead and cut off a few slices of it. That's all we're going to need. I only have 3 of them right now, so that's all we're going to need. I've got 3 thick cut pork chops here. In your interest of saving some time, I went ahead and cut a hole into them. Go ahead and put a slice of cheese. A little bit of pepper, a little bit of garlic, some spinach, gonna throw in some of our SNS spices. Now we're going to go ahead and coat the outside of it in the Bayou Boogie spices. Now we're going to take some toothpicks and run them through to make sure that they stay together. There we have it. They're all done now. They look great. Got cheese oozing out from the center of it. Got whiffs of cayenne and chili pepper coming off of these things. Let's go ahead and cut one open. Oh yeah, nicely done. Let's go ahead and cut off a piece real quick. Oh yeah. Taste that cayenne and that garlic and peppers, along with the other herbs and spices. Nice kick to it. A little bit of heat, but overall great flavor. If you like what I'm doing, Please like, share, subscribe, comment below. Thank you. Have a good day.